Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I am actually doing this look in this video.
I'm gonna be showing y'all what Ye doing in her video while she's eating position.
I'm hungry.
Of course. I'm gonna teach y'all how she got this look.
Into the video.
This one I ready to da da da. I know get tired da da da.
Oh, okay, I still be looking good, period. It's like, duh.
Okay, so first it looks like she's brushing her eyebrows. I guess she would do that so they will appear better. Got a little paintbrush at the end of it. I guess it's dry so she don't need to wet nothing up or whatever she do with that. Yeah, another brush. Flicking them back. Putting them on fleek. Got some baby song. I ain't see that. Okay, now she's rubbing something on her face. I don't know. Okay, she got some lipstick. Or I think she said that's like some concealer or something. And I don't know why she's drawing on her face like she's from West Africa, but okay. And oh, that's why. She's putting a set spray on. Yeah, I know about that. The setting spray and that little sponge. Now she just blending it all in. Yeah, I'm blending that stuff, baby. Yeah. Don't forget the top of your forehead. Alright, okay, that's what the brush for? No? You still ain't got the top of your forehead? Okay. I think she don't see it. But yeah, she's just brushing everything now. Just want you to get the top of the forehead, please. Brushing everything, she blending that boy. Oh, I swear to God. Oh, I can't wait to see her. Thank you. Finally got the forehead. Okay, so on the next step, I'm gonna put some paste on that paintbrush I was telling y'all about. Now she's painting under her eye. I'm guessing she gonna blend that in with the sponge. I hope she do, cause she look like a clown. And she putting on the other eye, so she look like a clown.
How I'm a clown? How I'm a clown? How I'm a clown? Tell me, how I'm a clown? Tell me, please. I would like to know how I'm a clown.
Okay, yeah, you put it in between your nose. Milk stash. And then, yep, keep drawing. I guess she's doing this, her creative side. Very creative, yay. I love what you're doing. I never knew she could paint. Oh, now she finna shade the cheeks and the forehead. She got like a little big forehead, so she gotta shade all of that. Under the chin, make her chin look skinny and stuff. Then she just go shade that all in, watch. Oh, she want the nose skinny too? Okay, sis. Y'all go make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all go make sure y'all turn y'all notifications on while my baby doing her makeup. Y'all go make sure y'all follow my baby on Instagram. Don't forget it. Y'all go make sure y'all follow my baby on Twitter too. Yup, she got all of that. And don't forget Snapchat. Okay, now she's blending it in. Okay. I'm seeing it come together.
I'm making a video. Y'all so disrespectful.
Yeah, keep playing with my baby. I don't get back to work. They still going? Now she just blending everything in. But I think it's gonna all come together in a second. I know it is, cause you know I ain't never seen it like this. Okay, brush. Okay, small skinny brush. In between those cracks and crevices, all that. And the hard to reach spots, yep. Right in the nose too. Yeah. Okay, yep, that was that cheek blend I was talking about. She going down the same spot and she cold with it. Cold with it. Oh, she got a little routine. That's what she go to the same spots every time. Oh yeah. Beat by Ye. Hit the link. Oh bro. She know what she doing. My baby so cute. She go to the same spots too. Nah, who taught you? Beat that cheek. Okay, now it's coming together. Okay, that's what that little shading was. Get her a little gloss up. Ooh, damn. She said, voila. Voila. Ooh. Yeah, my baby did that. My baby did that. What do you say? Who you know? Alright, what we doing now, baby? Put some white powder on her. I guess let's go brighten her up. I mean, I don't want you to go brighter, baby. Stay right there. Oh, just get a little blush on your cheeks. I see. Oh no. That make her cheek look skinny. You seen that? Ooh, look at her cheese. She said, yeah. Master Chrome. Now this stuff is just gonna go down her nose again. Well, I already know nose, chin, cheek, that little straight right there. Go ahead. No? Oh yeah, you gotta hit that forehead too. I forgot that's your spot too. I know she gonna do it. Oh, watch, that's one down. Oh, she ain't even do it. Oh, she hit the cheek though. That cheek be hitting those strokes. Chin. Alright, I know the routine now. Nose, forehead, under the nose. Chin, left cheek, right cheek. Blend. She really don't even gotta do nothing else, like for real. I don't know what she doing now. She just hitting the little finishing details. Go ahead, lip liner. Yeah, I seen my mama do that. I thought she missed a little. She kinda did, but that's alright, baby. I ain't gonna say nothing. Yeah, let's go face. Let's go blend in. You know what you doing. She said, yeah, I don't even matter. I know what I'm doing. Ooh. You think you grown. Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. She put the lighter tone in the middle of the blue. Ooh, she too cold with it, bro. I swear to God. with you, yeah. Eyelashes. I got better eyelashes than her. That's why she gotta work with that. You know, mine, I just come out instantly, already beaming. But it's how I do your work, baby. Give me a kiss. Damn. Voila. No eyelashes? Oh, that was the one she used.
Y'all definitely hit that bell, like, and subscribe. I mean, it's free, so y'all might as well. Like, come on, y'all getting something for free. Y'all getting good content for free, and a notification to tell y'all when the good free content is here. Like, just subscribe and hit that bell. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna just leave it at that note. But if y'all like this video, let me know what other videos y'all would like for me to create. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay focused, stay loved, stay blessed, be healthy, don't look a mess, and stay sanitized, because you know this corona, you know. But talk to y'all later. Yellow heart gang.
Bye, y'all.
Peace and blessings. Bye.
This one I ready, ja, ja, ja. I know get time.